Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial showing you guys how you can use WhatsApp to correct your students' worksheets. Alright, so first of all, we're going to open WhatsApp, click on the student's name, you click on the worksheet to download it. Alright, some of you may not have to do this step, you may have automatic download, but I like to open the worksheet to verify that the child has written his or her name and the date somewhere on the worksheet. Now this is very important because when you have a large number of worksheets coming into your device, it's going to be hard to differentiate which worksheet belongs to which student. Alright, so now we're going to go back at the top left hand corner of the screen. You go back, you're clicking back again, and now you're remaining right at the top left hand corner of the screen, and you'll see a little camera. You're clicking on that camera. You're selecting the worksheet from this list of images here. So I'm going to click on the worksheet. Lovely. Once this worksheet has opened up, you want to come at the top right hand corner now, and you'll see a little pen tool. We're going to click on this little pen tool right here. This will open up a little colored bar at the right hand side of your screen. Now you want to choose any color of ink that you wish to correct the worksheet in. So I'm going to choose red, and I would begin ticking, simply ticking to correct the worksheet. Okay, now you also have the option to add a text to this. So I'm going to just write, "Good job." Okay. Just above, right there where you're typing, there's a little smiley face. I can add an emoji to this text. Okay. Now at the bottom, I'm going to go back now. Back again. And this text has the ability to move anywhere on the screen. Alright. So on the worksheet. So you can play around with it wherever you feel comfortable. Lovely. You also have a little smiley face at the top here. Okay, you can click on the smiley face. There you have the option to add the time, and there are a number of other emojis that you can add if you desire. Alright, so I'm not going to add anything right now. So I'm going to go back. So here now you want to click this little check. Then you're going to go to the student back again, and you're going to hit this little arrow at the bottom here. Good. And there you would have provided feedback based on the worksheet that the student submitted. Alright, I do hope that this little tutorial was helpful to you in some way. Have a good day. Bye.